let's test your imagination. Would you believe me if I told you that right now you could get your competitors, so let's say 5 of them, get 20 of their best TikTok videos, then transcribe them all to get the transcript, then analyze all of the transcripts and find, essentially make an analysis and find the common points that made those videos successful. Then with that analysis, you can cross-reference it with your company, your content, your brand values, and finally create a detailed game plan of what works in your industry, how to create the best content out there with the best hooks and the best topics, and create a customized content game plan. Would you believe me if I told you that that was all automatable and available right now? Maybe not, maybe yes. But here's exactly what we did, and here's exactly how we did it, and the automation that does exactly that. So, in short, how it works is that we first get through Amplify the posts. So we scrape TikTok profiles to get the top 20 most popular videos. Once that is done, we transcribe each video. When all the transcribes are done, we aggregate all of them into one list, and then we ask an AI agent to um, to make the analysis for us. Once that is done, we centralize this into a Google Sheet, and then get a document based on your brand guidelines, stuff like that. Once that's done, we can then create a personalized game plan, right? So a personalized strategy between your documents and the analysis. So the beauty of this is that you input, I don't want to share the prompts, but essentially you input your brand guidelines. So like, we like to have XYZ colors. We want XYZ creators that say XYZ things. We like our posts to be under 30 seconds long, stuff like that, right? And you cross-reference that with the analysis, and what you get from there is a customized game plan, right? So, okay, since your company likes posts under 30 seconds, based on the analysis, we see that the best way to go about this is to have a very short hook that starts with, so imagine your company is like in skincare, that starts with, my skin was like this and now it's like this, or something like that, right? And that analysis, so that insight will be done directly from all the transcribing we did earlier. So it's a very actually reliable thing, because if you input, so how it works is that you input your company. So I'll show you exactly how it works. All right. So here, for example, you would enter your brand name. So Mind Valley, for example, enter your TikTok username, so the competitors you have, and your brand voice document. Once you have all of this, then you're done, essentially. And this will cross-reference all of this. So that's how the automation works. And we can go so much deeper from that point on, because with all the transcript data, we can do a bunch of stuff. So first of all, we did an analysis, and then we create a customized content plan for them. But if we want to create a ton of other things, and by the way, we put this all in a Google Doc. But if we want to do something like, I don't know, a 20, so you'd add a new AI agent, and you'd put like, okay, 20 new uh 20 content ideas, like real content ideas. Because what this would do, this one, it wouldn't really give you a direct idea for like a script, essentially, for your content, but it would more so give you the outline of what your content should look like, right? Because it'll cross-reference both. But from that point onwards, you can use this document where we put all the insights, so that cross-referencing, we put that into a document, and from that point on, you have like limitless opportunity. So you can create content ideas, you can create mascots, or you can like create a bunch of other things, right? I think it's just limited by your imagination, but I think you get the point here. It's very, very powerful stuff. But the beauty of this is that this is not just one automation. So imagine this. The beauty of it is that it centralizes information and data, right? So with having the transcribes, you now have a list of what's working right now, right? A list of content of what's working right now. So if you wanted to, you could essentially run this every single week or month and cross-reference different analysis. So like, imagine every week you make an analysis on the 20 best performing posts of your competitors, right? And so you have this in a Google Sheet. And then every month, maybe, you can create an AI prompt that will check all the different analysis from each week and find the differences, and like find the movements in the society, or like how content is evolving. And so that allows you essentially to position yourself in the growing trend of things, right? And not stay stuck behind. So this is extremely, extremely powerful. And the only way, again, I'll stress this, but the only way this type of analysis is possible is because we aggregate all the data. And with the data, we can make very, very powerful AI prompts, such as the monthly analysis of the weekly analysis, if you get what I mean. So I hope that makes sense. And I hope that gives you an idea of what's possible with AI automation. Things are getting hectic. There's limitless possibility and opportunity. So it's very much your time to get into this. So if you want to get into this yourself, feel free to go ahead and try N8N. It's a bit difficult to get started with, but it's worth it. If you don't want to get started with it, I can help you out. So feel free to book a call if interested. That being said, thank you for listening.